Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore a haunting and deeply emotional poem by W.H. Auden, titled Eyes Look into the Well. In this lecture, I will explain it carefully, line by line, so you can fully understand the meaning behind every image and phrase. But before we start, if you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really supports my work and helps me make more content like this. Well, let me tell you the background of this poem so you will understand it easily. Actually, this poem is about loss, sorrow, betrayal, and the impact of violence on human hearts. Auden uses powerful and sometimes dark imagery to show emotional pain, grief, and the quiet devastation left behind after cruel acts or betrayal. It is a short poem, but every line is packed with meaning, and it creates very strong mental pictures. Let's go through it slowly. The poem begins with the line, "Eyes look into the well." Auden gives us a striking image. A well often symbolizes depth, hidden truths, or emotions that lie deep beneath the surface. When someone looks into a well, it suggests they are searching, reflecting, or trying to understand something profound. In this case, it might represent looking into one's own sorrow or the sadness in the world. Another way to say it is, the eyes are looking deep inside, trying to find meaning in sadness or grief. It gives the reader the sense that the poem is about inner reflection and emotional depth. Next, he writes, "Tears run down from the eye." This is a very direct image of sorrow. The tears show that the sadness is real, immediate, and unavoidable. Auden doesn't just talk about sorrow, he shows it visually. You can imagine someone unable to hold back their emotions, letting their tears fall freely. Another way to think about it is, the sadness is so intense that it comes out physically, in the form of tears. This helps the reader feel the depth of emotional pain the poem is expressing. Then he says, "The tower cracked and fell from the quiet winter sky." Here, Auden introduces the theme of destruction. A tower is often a symbol of strength, stability, and safety. When it cracks and falls, it shows that even what seems strong and permanent can collapse unexpectedly. The quiet winter sky adds a contrast. The sky is calm and still. But underneath this calm, something terrible happens. It emphasizes sudden disaster or tragedy. Another way to explain it is, even when life seems peaceful and stable, unexpected destruction can happen, shattering what we thought was safe. The second stanza begins with, "Under a midnight stone." Love was buried by thieves. Here, Auden paints a dark and dramatic picture. Love was buried suggests that something precious, like affection, trust, or care has been lost. By thieves shows that this loss was not natural, but caused by betrayal, cruelty, or outside forces. Midnight symbolizes darkness, mystery, and sadness, adding a sense of hopelessness. You could interpret it as, love was stolen secretly in the darkness, taken away by those who had no respect for it. It creates a strong sense of injustice and loss. Next, he writes, "The robbed heart begs for a bone. The damned rustle like leaves." These are very vivid metaphors. The robbed heart is someone emotionally empty, left hungry for even the smallest comfort or affection, like a hungry animal begging for a piece of food. The damned rustle like leaves compares people destroyed by cruelty or loss to fragile, dead leaves that move weakly in the wind. It shows how vulnerable and powerless they are. Another way to say it is, those who have been hurt or betrayed are desperate and fragile, almost like they have no strength left. The final stanza begins with, "Face down in the flooded brook," with nothing more to say. Here, Auden shows complete despair. The person is overwhelmed by circumstances or emotions, submerged in water and silent. They have no words left to express their pain. You might picture someone overwhelmed by grief, unable to speak or act. Another expression could be, The sorrow is so deep that it silences the person entirely, leaving them helpless and overwhelmed. Then he adds, lies one the soldiers took, and spoiled and threw away. Here, Auden brings in the theme of violence, war, or destruction by others. Lies can mean innocence, trust, or even life itself that has been taken by soldiers or those in power. The verbs spoiled and threw away show that what was valuable was destroyed carelessly. Another way to understand it is what was precious, whether love, trust, or life, was stolen and treated with no respect or care. This could reflect the effects of war, betrayal, or violent acts on ordinary people. The poem also reflects on powerlessness. People suffer and grieve, but there is no one to explain why, no one to fix the harm that has been done. Even soldiers or thieves can act without reason, and their actions leave destruction behind. Auden is showing us how life can be cruel, and how pain often comes without explanation. Another way to think about it is, the poem reminds us that sorrow and loss are part of life, and sometimes they happen because of other people's choices, not our own. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.